Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I'll be picking this United States Postal Service PO Box lock. It's a 5-pin cam lock, and this has a very, very tricky keyway. I have only been able to open this once, and so top of the keyway. I'm using this Sparrow's Euro 15 thousandths, and I have to sort of work my way around the wording. I don't feel like that was right. There may have been luck, I don't know. I was pretty excited to get it open. I haven't gotten this open yet, apart from just a minute ago today. That was definitely not it, so let's try again. Yeah, this might not be the day for this lock to be picked, but it's so difficult to not overset the center. See if I could maybe, oh, yep, I let that down and got it open. Cool. Now I made this little 3D print to hold this, so I'm gonna take this thing apart. I'm not worried about that. I'll find you later. Anyhow, this is intact as far as the full cam and everything else. Go ahead and lock this back since I have the key. Picked this up on eBay a great many weeks ago, and until today I have been unable to pick it. I did clean it when I got it because it was absolutely crunchy, filthy. Okay. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think there are any security pins in this whatsoever. I think the wording alone, which is just nasty. I mean, from the bottom of the keyway, where did I put that pick? Yeah. From the bottom of the keyway, you can't even get to the high cuts. It just goes in at an angle, so you can only get the low cuts with that. You have to sort of snake your way in. Anyhow, let's check out these top pins. Standard. standard. I believe these are all going to be standards. Yep, they are all standards. I'm not going to take the springs out. Yeah, these were super, you know, dirty, filthy. You can even see here there's some stuff falling down out of the lock. But anyway, that is all I have for you today. I think this has gone on long enough. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. I'll see you in the next video, and have a great day. Thank you.